Anin. So today we're going to do personal greetings. So I'll show you how to introduce yourself in Ojibwe. Anishinaabemowin, as we call it. The language is Anishinaabemowin, and it is spoken by the Anishinaabe. I am Anishinaabe in the singular of the Anishinaabe. The English and the French have come to call us many, many things over the course of history. Just a few examples. We are called Chippewa, Ojibwe, Ojibwe. List goes on, but we are Anishinaabemowin. That's what we have always called ourselves. Those are other names, other tags that were put on us. So, this is how you would introduce yourself in the language. Anin. Maingan Dishnikas. Jeff Monague Monague. And that's how you would do it. It's very simple. I use my English name as well as my Anishinaabe name. Now to further that, you can say what your clan is if you have a clan. If you don't know what your clan is, then you won't say that part. So I'll add that in. So I'll say Anin Maingan Dishnikas Megizin do dem. Anin Maingan Dishnikas Megize do dem. So to add to that, you would indicate where you're from. So we would do that by doing this. Again, I'll go through the whole thing. Anin Maingan Dishnikas Megize do dem. Kachimnising Dion Juba. So that is your very simple personal greeting, and you would do that when you're introducing yourself to an individual or to a group of people. So that's the very simple way of doing it in Anishinaabemowin. Aha, misayo, miigwech.